top keyboard shortcuts for Instacart. Now Instacart itself does not have built-in keyboard shortcuts, but you can actually utilize your operating system's level of shortcuts that it provides. For example, let's say you want to copy something over here. So I just copy this text over here. Next time if I want to copy it or paste it, I can press Ctrl V or Command V if you're using on Mac. To copy it, you can select all the text or Ctrl A or Command A to select all the text, and Ctrl C or Command C to copy it, and Ctrl V or Command V to paste it. If you want to undo certain things, like maybe you want to go back, you can place Ctrl or Command V and then just come back and go to Ctrl and Command Z or Z as you pronounce it to go back, or Ctrl or Command Y to redo the undo that you'd have done. So these are some of the OS level shortcuts that you can use, but Instacart is an e-commerce platform and it really does not have those built-in keyboard shortcuts that you might be talking about. So I hope the video helps you understand, and if you have any questions, do feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.